Hey wise women, Karen Weir here, and it is Mastering Your Mindset Monday, and it is our first one of the month of November. I have to tell you, I love the month of November. It's actually my favorite month because Thanksgiving is truly my favorite holiday. In my house, all the other holidays actually have gifts attached to them and different events and things like that, but Thanksgiving is actually the one holiday where we really just focus on being thankful. And I love all throughout November seeing all the gratitude and, whether it's a 30 days of gratitude or just sharing different things that you're thankful for throughout the month. And there's a lot of great places that you can go and share those. And I really encourage you to get plugged in and doing that. Here at Wise, we are going to be talking about harvesting your mindset. That's our topic for our mastermind workshop on Wednesday, November 4th, coming up just a couple days. Make sure to sign up so we know you're coming. When we're together, what we're going to talk about is looking back over the last year and seeing all the things, all the areas that you've planted seeds and you've watered and you've developed and you've had to go in the gardens and weed those things and pull them out, whether it's in your life, in your business, and relationships, whatever it is that you've really worked at and had, set out your intentions to come to a place where you can then harvest what you've sown. We want to talk about that. Sometimes people can get to a place of going, gosh, I have just worked my rear end off all year long and I didn't get what I wanted. I'm not where I'd hoped to be, or wow, things took a different turn than I expected. And that's where mindset comes in. It's not just about saying, oh, I'm so thankful and I'm grateful for this and that. That helps. Don't get me wrong. It's very important to think about what you're grateful for. But I want you to enjoy your victories. Look at the things that you did, even the smallest seed that you planted throughout this year. There's a harvest coming for it, and I want you to really enjoy that and take it in, because that right there is what keeps you going for the next year. And the great thing is too, if there are areas that you worked really hard and you're not quite where you had hoped to be, that's okay too. Because what do you get to do with that now? We're going to talk about that on a later Mastering Your Mindset Monday. But these are the exciting things that we get to do when we take time to harvest our mindset. So today on your Monday, I just want you to think about over this last year, where you were in January. What things did you work your butt off? Because we've talked about stuff, different times. What are you going to be intentional about this year? What are you going to plant? What are you going to water and nurture? And then, pulling out the weeds that are in there. We've done a lot of work this year. So it's time to enjoy the harvest. And I can't wait to do all of that with you guys on Wednesday the 4th at our mastermind workshop. It's going to be a great time. I hope you'll come out and join us. I do want to share a quick thing with you. I would love to be able to share these Mastering Your Mindset Mondays, send you out a text that you can actually pull up the video with right then and there. Have a little quote and a text. So I'm gonna send this out to all of you, but then I want to give you a chance to subscribe. Some of us are really great at texting and really enjoy that on our phone. Some of us maybe not. So I'm going to send it out to you. If you like it, if it's enjoyable and helps you with Mastering Your Mindset Mondays, awesome. If not, no problem. Just let me know. So, wise women, thank you for being a part of my life. I am truly grateful for you. I'm glad that we've gotten to work our rear ends off all year and we get to enjoy this harvest at the Living Room Coffee House on Wednesday all together. So you ladies have a great day and I can't wait to see you. Bye.